The first frost of the season catches a lot of drivers out. Roads look fine, but that thin, invisible layer of ice, it changes everything. Today we're talking about how to handle those early icy mornings safely. 5 simple but essential tips to keep you in control and reduce your risk. Tip 1. The road might be icy even if it doesn't look it. The biggest danger with the first frost is black ice, those areas where moisture freezes into a thin transparent layer that blends right into the road surface. Here's what to do. Assume ice is present, especially before sunrise and in shaded areas. Drive gently. Smooth steering, smooth braking, smooth acceleration. Sudden inputs can break traction instantly. Look ahead for shiny, glossy patches on the tarmac. That's often ice, even if the temperature feels mild. Be careful on bridges and exposed roads. They freeze first and thaw last. You won't always see the ice, so drive in a way that gives you the best chance of staying in control if you hit it. Quick question for you. Have you ever hit an icy patch you didn't expect? What happened and what did you learn from it? Please drop your comment below. Your experience could help someone else stay safe this winter. And while you're here, make sure you subscribe for more weekly Drive Smart safety guidance, including upcoming videos on understanding road signs and dealing with snow. Tip 2. Double your following distance. In icy conditions, stopping distances can be up to 10 times longer. If you're normally a 3-second rule driver, make it at least 6 seconds, and even more if things feel slippery. The extra space gives you more time to react and reduces the chance of sliding into the car in front. By the way, is it a 2-second rule or a 3-second rule? Watch our other video to find out more about that. Tip 3. Clear all windows properly. First frost means misted and frozen windscreens. Don't rely on just a peephole. It's illegal and it's unsafe. Fully clear your windscreen, your rear windows, mirrors and lights before moving. Warm the car gently. Don't melt ice with kettles or hot water. Your glass will thank you. Good visibility is your first line of defense against hidden icy patches. Tip 4. Avoid overconfidence with technology. Traction control, ABS and stability systems are great, but they can't break the laws of physics. They help correct mistakes, not prevent them. Slow driving and smooth inputs will always be relying on electronics to save you. Tip 5. Expect ice in the same places every year. Icy hazards are rarely random. Cold dips in the road, tree-covered lanes, bridges, areas near fields. These places frost up first every year. Make a mental note of where you've slipped or felt reduced grip before. If it happened once, chances are it'll happen again. The first frost doesn't have to mean the first accident of the season. Stay alert, plan ahead, and use these tips to stay in control when the grip is at its lowest. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for weekly Drive Smart videos and more winter safety guidance. Drive safe, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next one.